Hi folks, this is Darren and Trisha with My Review Works. We are doing live streaming on Friday, typically the first Friday of every month. This month, well, November, we do have a commitment on the first Friday, so we're moving it to the second Friday. And Trisha, why don't you tell us a little bit more on the details on our live stream?
Yeah, so we're going to be going live on Friday, November 10th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time.
Pacific time.
And so we hope you will join us there. Now, the reason that we do these live streams is so that we have an opportunity to answer your questions live. And so we hope that you will take any questions that you've had about your RV, any technical questions, and that you will join us for that live stream to ask those. We do get people that will reach out to us by email. Sometimes they'll submit a service request just to ask a question, and we don't have the opportunity to really troubleshoot with them, but this is one way that we can try to help folks that have seen our videos and have some questions about their RV. So basically our live streams are just about 1 hour. Viewers will tune in and ask their questions, and we just take those on the spot and answer them. We fill up about an hour's worth of time answering your questions. And if you are subscribed and you have your notification on, then you will get notified when we go live. If you don't, you should. But you can also just go to our My Review Works YouTube page and go on the live tab, and you'll see that pop up. So Friday, November 10th, 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. And if you've ever reached out to us with a question, this is a great way to get your question answered.
Try to stump Darren.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know all the answers, but I have worked on enough to know a few.
Yeah,
So.
and it's a lot of fun. We really enjoy getting to sort of meet everybody in a sense, and it's fun to interact with everybody in the comments.
I get to draw pictures on a grease board.
Yeah. So actually, why don't you check out some of our old live streams, and you can kind of see what that's all about. We've got those.
How do they get to those?
Yep, on our YouTube page, just our main YouTube page. You can go to the live tab, and you'll see
all the
all
tabs
them
along the top. There's
pre-populated.
Videos. Even I had to figure this out. I'm like, well, where are they? Because I see my videos. But then you go over along the top, you'll see one that says live.
Yeah.
And you click that, and that's where they're storing them.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're not in the video section, they're in the live section.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So we
Had
hope
to learn
that you will check those out, and that you'll join us on Friday, November 10th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time.
See you then, guys. All right. Happy camping.